In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle map and list view in Zillow desktop. On the desktop version of Zillow, there isn't a simple button that switches between a full map and a full list like you might see on mobile. Instead, the site uses a flexible layout that lets you control how much attention you give to each side. By learning a few quick moves, you can make the experience feel like a toggle without leaving the page. When you open search results, you'll see an interactive map on the left and a scrollable list of homes on the right. This side-by-side view is the default. You can browse up and down the list while the map remains visible, so you're never losing spatial context as you explore different properties. If you want to emphasize one side, resize the layout. Hover your cursor over the vertical divider between the map and the list until it turns into a side-to-side arrow. Click and drag it left to give the list more room, or drag it right to expand the map. This simple adjustment effectively shifts your focus. For example, widen the map if you're comparing neighborhoods or commute routes. Expand the list if you're scanning prices, beds, and photos more closely. You can also interact directly with the map. Click any pin to open a quick details card for that home. This is a great way to evaluate a property in the context of nearby streets, parks, and other pins without losing your place. If you prefer starting from the list, click a home there and watch its location highlight on the map. It's an easy way to connect a listing to its exact spot, and you never have to switch screens. Zooming and panning give you even finer control. Use your mouse wheel or trackpad to zoom into a smaller area, and you'll see fewer homes focused on that tighter location. Drag the map to pan and reposition your view. As you zoom and move the map, the list adjusts to reflect what's on your screen, keeping the two perfectly in sync. If you're researching one neighborhood, zoom in and center it. If you want a broader picture of nearby options, zoom out for more coverage. So while there isn't a dedicated map versus list toggle, you can get the same outcome by resizing the divider, clicking between the list and pins to shift your attention, and zooming and panning to control how tightly the list matches the area you're exploring. With these simple actions, Zillow's desktop layout becomes a flexible, focused search tool tailored to how you like to browse.